Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're looking at the pet car door cover. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're looking at the pet car door cover. It's by Dog Lemmy. Make the world enjoy. Easy Pet Life 2-pack. Now I already stuck one in the car, but I got it off of Amazon. They have them in black, beige, gray for $18.59. And they're pretty easy to install. You just have Velcro, and you put those Velcro on your car door. And it's pretty thick canvas, to be honest. I was impressed for the price. That's ain't going nowhere. But let's go ahead and take a look at it in the car. Okay, as you can see, it was pretty easy to install. I only did the top ones because I just easily want to take it in and out in case I want to have a passenger in the front seat. Now, you can put these in your back seat, front seat, it doesn't matter. The only time I had issue is when I was going at a higher speed. And if you put the window the whole way down, it doesn't like catch this tab. It only catches like half of this tab. So in the wind, we're going down the highway and the wind blew it up. It didn't blow it off the whole way, it just blew it up. But overall, I'm impressed by this. He gets to enjoy his car rides and get up on the window and have his head out there looking and smelling the air. And, well, I get to keep the car door nice. So, overall, the price, $20, $10 a piece. I think it's well worth the price, and it does come with self-adhesive 3M Velcro. So overall, a solid 5 out of 5. I think if you get these, you're going to be happy with them. If you're worried about it blowing up off the door, I'd put the bottom ones on too. But like I said, he's happy. He's enjoying his car rides. He gets to have his head out the window. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.